Hey, what is up guys? It's your boy Scooter back again. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the resolution on the Amazon Fire Stick so it meets the resolution on your TV. So right now I have the Amazon Fire Stick is showing at 720p because I had a TV downstairs that is 720p. But this TV that I have here is 1080p. The resolution is a lot better than the one downstairs, so I would like to be able to watch movies and stuff at a higher resolution. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you got the home screen, scroll all the way to the right to the settings, go down to display and sounds. Once you get there, it'll show you right here display, where you can change the display and you can also change the scaling on there. So make sure the whole picture fits inside of the screen of your TV. So like I said, this is a 1080p TV and I like to see stuff at a higher resolution. So you can either make it so it's set on auto, where it'll automatically adjust itself, which earlier I didn't do that. So you can do that, or either if you know exactly how you would want it to be, you can put it on 1080p with 60 hertz and 50 hertz. So the difference between 60 and 50 is that how fast the screen will refresh. So how fast a new image will show up on the screen. So I'll just go ahead and make it auto, and then that way it'll adjust itself each time that the Fire Stick is plugged into a different TV. So it says the resolution is changed. Just want to make sure you confirmed it. If you don't, it'll just go back to the regular resolution that it was before. Alright, so that is how you change the resolution on the Amazon Fire Stick.